Howdy everybody. Good morning. It is currently 6:35 and
It's early.
we got some eBay orders and a Poshmark order to pull today, so we're going to get over and show y'all that and try to get some more listings done. So if y'all are new to the channel, I'm Colton, she's Courtney. We sell full-time on eBay, Amazon, and Poshmark. So y'all come along with us today. Alrighty guys and gals, so here's our orders going out on eBay and Poshmark. The first thing we got to get is Casablanca DVD. I just seen this the other day. Alright, here it is. New sealed. It's a snap case. And for this we got $5.95 plus shipping. Now we got to go get a So Beautiful CD set out of D1. This one right here. It's Blue Ribbon Baby by Karen Bosch. See this? And then it's got the disc in there to do all them little designs or something. Yeah, CD-ROM with designs on it. So for this we ended up getting $19.25 plus shipping. Now we got to get on M3 a Hot Wheels track right here. Picked this up for $2 at a garage sale. It is new sealed, got some boxware. And picked this up for $2, and this sold for us for $43.75 free shipping. Now we got to get a DVD player. Just listed this yesterday, and it's a Samsung Smart Blu-ray player, and you can stream all these on it. It's got Wi-Fi built into it, and you can look right here. It's never been used. I opened it up and checked everything. It's all sealed still, and this sold within about 5 minutes of listing it. The moment you realized you priced it too cheap. And this sold for us for $34.99 plus shipping, so I'm happy with that. Now in D1 we got to get some photo paper. This just HP photo paper. I was gonna throw it away, but we sold it for $14.59 free shipping. It weighs over a pound, I think. Yep, so what we're gonna do with it, we'll wrap some cardboard around it. We're gonna stick it down in this flat rate envelope here. It's just a flat rate. This mails at like six something. Cheaper than the PFRE. So that's the way we're gonna send that. Make some money on it. Next thing we sold is this cotton tree. I know, we sold a cotton tree. Who would thump? It's a cotton tree with pine cones. And it's just got this little bag here with some foam in it and weight. I mean, it looked pretty on the table, wouldn't it? Anyhow, This sold for $20.40 plus shipping. Now we sold a Easton bat bag right over here. We still got the orange one, but we sold the red one. And these got somebody's names written in them. See that? Luke B. But that was all disclosed, and it's on the inside, so that's the good thing. And this ended up selling for us for $21.16 plus shipping. Now we sold some turmeric.
Are we out? Yep.
Uh-oh. Y'all see this? I sold something I ain't got. Lord help us.
You can go ahead and get out the exfoliation gel.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and pull this one. I can't believe that. We must have... That's one of them instances where we sold them on the Poshmark and...
Didn't change quantity.
I didn't change my quantity on the eBays. It happens. Oh well. I'll tell y'all how I'm going to handle that. Exfoliating night gel. We sold this. We'll go ahead and pull this and show you. This wasn't big money at all. This sold for us for, let me find it, $10.18 plus shipping. Yeah, we'll go back to that turmeric here in a minute. We got to go back over here now and get some memory cards. I've had these for a while. You can tell by my bag. Got that big old bag for them old cards. Okay, so we sold this memory card and this little switch and carry card for the Wii's. And this ended up selling for, I think this is for GameCube, but it works for the Wii. And these two sold for $5.51 plus shipping. Now we got to grab some wands for Oric vacuum cleaner. Right here they are. Just 2 plastic poles. Can y'all see my eyes? Anyhow, if y'all find these vacuum cleaner parts, they ain't big money, but don't want past them. These sold for $25.51, free shipping. Now we got to get a horse trophy out of E. Right here, horse trophy. We got to find number E. What's the chance? I done got this boxed up. This ain't how I'm sending it like this, but this will go into a box, but it's bubble wrapped and poly bagged, and you'll see a comp of it on the screen. And for this, we got $47.44 free shipping.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and pull Poshmark. We sold 2 of these Jurassic World dinosaurs. It's gonna be this one and this one. And for both of these, we got $32 plus shipping.
Then was the RA from Walmart.
And now we gotta pull 6 Joanna Lindsay books.
These books right
This
here
box.
and them books right there are ones we picked up the other day at that garage sale. And for that box full, well, she's pulling them, I'll show you. And where's our other box full? And that box full, can y'all see them? I still got to list these. We paid $10 for all of them, and we just making up some lots of them by authors. We got all the author lots done. Now we're just going to use them others to make mixed lots of just romance books.
There's 4. There's 6.
Alright, so these 6 Joanna Lindsay books, let me get them over here. Like I say, we just did these by lots by author. So there's 6 of these, all the same author. And these sold for $10.49 plus shipping. If we can sell every little lot we do out of that thing for, you know, 10 to 12 bucks plus shipping, we'll do really well off them. They're easy to list, easy to ship, that kind of deal. Alrighty, so we're gonna get this stuff here packed up and sent out, and then we're gonna address the turmeric. So y'all stay tuned for that. Alrighty, guys and gals, so we sold these 2. We just got done boxing all them up. And it's these JVC SX130 higher energy magnetite tapes. There's 10 of them, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These can't go media mail because there's no media on them. A lot of people do send them media mail, but if they check, you're going to be in trouble. So we just send these UPS. So these ended up selling for us for $47.25 free shipping. As I said, they're going to go UPS. So, I mean, I don't know how much the label will be, but it won't be that much. Alrighty, guys and gals. So we're going to go over what you do if you sell an item you ain't got. In my case, it was this turmeric right here. And look, see this right here, turmeric? You click, can y'all see that? Click on that. Look at this. This is my listing, right? I still got 2 available, it says. So I got to end this listing. See, there's my name right there, Redneck Resale. Well, I typed in what I needed, turmeric solo mode, to drop ship it. In this case, I don't have it. I'm going to order it from somebody who's selling a 2-pack and have it sent directly to my customer. That way, you know, everything's good. I'm going to lose probably $2 or $3, but I don't have to cancel the order. I could go uptown here and buy some more, but I don't want to go into the store with the pandemic. So just to play it safe, I'm going to lose a few bucks. That's fine. Customer should be happy. So I typed this in. Now y'all check this out. That's my listing, okay? It's still up there. I ain't took it down yet. I'm up here at the top. I scrolled down here looking for one to buy. Hey, there's one right there from somebody selling a 2-pack just like mine. Same title. They're asking $19.99, and they stole my pictures. You see that? That's my picture. Look at the picture. See the angle right here? And this one straight, angled. Ain't that something? So this person stole my picture. Now we can go even deeper into this to make sure it's my picture, okay? See right there, all we can make out is barely the E on supplement right here. Well, right here, see, you can see the L and the E. So let's go back to my picture. Let's see. Now let's zoom this puppy in. Yep, that fool stole my pictures. He only took the 2 of them though. He didn't take this one. He only took this one and this one from me. Ain't that something? That's ridiculous. But nonetheless, now I got to buy from this person who stole from me, because he's got the free shipping. If this is one of y'all that's watching my YouTube channel, I mean, I'm about to report your butt. But we're going to buy from you, because Lord help us, I can't report you now. Stole my pictures. Added in their address, their ship to address, and that's it. Alrighty, guys and gals, so we actually drop shipped the item, so we ordered it from somebody else. They're gonna send it to the customer who bought from us. I'm gonna lose probably $2, $3, something like that in fees, but I don't have to deal with canceling the order, getting the ding on my account, which I could do, but this way is just kind of easier, so everything should be good to go. And I found some fool stole my picture, and I can't even report him because I just give him my business. Man, oh man, what a day, what a day. But maybe that'll help you. If you do have an item and you can't find it, and you can replace that item, if it's not one of a kind or had something wrong with it, try to replace the item before you just, hey, I gotta cancel it. If you have to cancel it, take the ding, move on. But this way we should be good. So that's how you drop ship. Just buy it like normal, and then they'll say ship to address. Put your customer's shipping address where they bought from you in that field, and then just buy it from them, and then they'll upload the tracking as soon as it ships. Take that tracking number, put it in your orders, mark it as shipped, add the tracking number, and you should be good to go. Alrighty, guys and gals, that's going to conclude this video. We're actually in here working. She's back there testing out some stuff, I think. Sounds like it. Anyhow, we're just going to be over here working the rest of the day. I may have a Craigslist deal meet up this afternoon. So if we do that, I'll film it. You'll see it probably tomorrow, the next day, one of the two. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button for us. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. And we hope all you guys and gals are staying safe wherever you're at. And we're going to see you guys and gals tomorrow. See y'all.